In the small town of Sweetville, there lived a cheerful young girl named Lily, who was bursting with excitement. You see, tomorrow was her best friend Max's birthday, and she wanted to surprise him with a batch of special cookies. Early in the morning, Lily grabbed her basket and skipped down the cobblestone path to the local market. The market was alive with chatter and the smell of fresh produce. She waved to Farmer Joe, who was stacking oranges, and smiled at Mrs. Green, who was arranging her vegetables. Her first stop was the flower stand where Mr. Miller, with his kind eyes and flour-dusted apron, filled her bag. Next, she visited the sugar stall and got some from Miss Honey, who always had a sweet smile. At the dairy booth, Mrs. Cowell handed her fresh butter and eggs, and from Mr. Chocolate, she got a bag of chocolate chips. But the best stop was at Mrs. Baker's stall. "Good morning, Lily," said Mrs. Baker, her eyes twinkling. "I have something special for you." She handed Lily a small, beautifully wrapped bottle of vanilla extract. "This is a special vanilla. Use it wisely." Lily thanked her and placed it carefully in her basket. Once home, Lily's kitchen filled with warmth as she began her cookie-making adventure. The aroma of baked goods always made her kitchen feel welcoming. She carefully measured the flour, sugar, and butter, humming a happy tune. Eggs were cracked, and chocolate chips were joyfully sprinkled in.